Down in the depths where the coal dust flies, a little bird sang with bright beady eyes. He chirped and he hopped, a yellow fluff ball, and keeled over sideways and gave his last fall. Oh, blame the canary, the feathery fiend. He couldn't hold his breath, the tragic sad scene. The tough coal miners were built for this haze, but he croaked and he wheezed in a dramatic birdie days. We checked all the readings, the methane, the CO. Our noses were fine as far as we know. But that tiny winged traitor, he just couldn't cope. He gasped and he flapped like a soapy wet rope. Oh, blame the canary, the feathery fiend. He couldn't hold his breath, the tragic sad scene. Where tough coal miners were built for this haze, but he croaked and he wheezed in a dramatic birdie days. He probably ate something, a poisonous seed. Or maybe he's just a delicate breed. We're not saying he's weak, but he's certainly small and prone to collapsing against this cold wall. The boss is all worried, he's pacing around. Is the air safe, he asks with a nervous sound. We shrugged and we chuckled, it's just that small bird. He couldn't handle the fumes, that's what we've heard. Oh, blame the canary, the feathery fiend. He couldn't hold his breath, the tragic sad scene. Where tough coal miners were built for this haze, but he croaked and he wheezed in a dramatic birdie days. So next time a canary gets a bit faint, don't blame the coal mine, don't file a complaint. Just blame the poor birdie, so fragile and frail. He just couldn't hack it down here in the shale. Look, the miner says, anyone got a mint?